To all valid passengers, please observe the following for your safety and protection while inside the train. Panatiliin ang paghawak sa mga safety handrails habang umaandar ang tren. Maraming salamat po. Mag-load na araw-araw ng pinakamurang 24/7 call and text unlimited mula sa Sun Cellular Prepaid. 25 pesos lang, may 24/7 call and text unlimited ka na. Call lang ng call, text lang ng text, all day, all night. Load na via Sun Express Load. Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Isama na ang buong pamilya, tara na sa Star Sea. Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. If you haven't already done so, please stow your carry-on luggage underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt. And also make sure your seat back and folding trays are in their full upright position. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, please read carefully the special instructions card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in the event of an emergency, please ask a flight attendant to reseat you. At this time, we request that all mobile phones, pagers, radios, and remote-controlled toys be turned off for the full duration of the flight, as these items might interfere with the navigational and communication equipment on this aircraft. We request that all other electronic devices be turned off until we fly above 10,000 feet. We will notify you when it is safe to use such devices. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is prohibited on the entire aircraft. If you have any questions about our flight today, please do not hesitate to ask one of our flight attendants. Thank you and mabuhay!